So a client tagged me in a car that apparently burned to the ground because someone didn't install the winch properly. You told me that that's possibly not the actual full story, because you never actually know, because no one
The
was
car's
there.
burned to the ground.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But you gave me some possible things that could have gone wrong. So tell me what you've done here to make sure that doesn't happen.
So what we do when we fit our winches is shielding. So conduit everything and everything that is related to this winch, make sure it's conduited. Tip number 2 though, secure it all. So stuff like P-clamps and cable ties, things like that, make sure that they're not going to be rubbing themselves through on unnecessary items that might be in the vehicle, things like sharp edges, stuff like that. Most bars don't have sharp edges, it'll be the car that'll have the edges on it. So if you are relocating something or moving it or putting it somewhere and tying it onto the vehicle, make sure you conduit it. At least that way you've got an extra layer of insulation rather than just the insulation that comes on the wiring. That's what we do, it works, and it future-proofs you. Another tip as well, do all your wiring, if you're fitting a bar yourself, do all your wiring, all that you can do, related to the winch before you put the bar on, because it's just a pain in the ass to get your hands in there to do it afterwards. So we've got control box mounted, everything that goes directly to the winch ready to go, and then all I've got is my main chassis and my main power to the winch control box, ready to rock and roll. That way, once we lift this up, put it on the car, all I've got to do is run those 2 wires. Everything else is already secure, done, out of the way, and you're not going to really have any issues with things rubbing through.